Hey everyone, it's Becky here. Today I'm going to show you how I use the PINKZIO Eyelash Lift Kit along with some step-by-step instructions and tips so that you can be successful. My only regret is not knowing about this technique sooner because I really love the way my lashes turned out. Now let's jump right into it. Here we have the kit with all the product in it. Here are the shields that you put on top of your eyelids. There are 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. I use size small, but I think I'll use medium next time. Here's the eyelash glue. It worked really well, dried very quickly. You have the perm lotion, setting lotion, moisture lotion, cleanser water. All these have 5 milliliters of product in each vial. And here is the pick that I lost. I don't know where it disappeared, but this worked really good while I was practicing and I lost it. Here are the sticky white bands that you can also use as shields. And here's my before lashes. And these are tools that I used that were not in the package. Step number 1, apply the eyelash glue. And just apply it directly to your eyelid. Yes, it is safe for you to directly put it on your skin. And then you put the shield, put it towards the inner part of your eye, make it as comfortable as possible, and just press down gently. Another way that you can do this, I saw someone put some medical tape onto the eyelid and then put the glue and then the shield on, which makes complete sense. I think I might try that next time. Then I'm going to take the glue once again and put it straight onto the shield. Next, you will grab your application tool or a toothpick as I'm using and simply brush and press your lashes in an upward motion so that they lay against the glued shield. And don't do what I'm doing right here, applying the glue all over the shield. Just do one little section at a time. The glue dries fairly quickly, so I'm just wasting product at this point. As you can see, I'm using the toothpick to lift my eyelashes. It looks intimidating, but it's so small that it's so easy to manipulate the eyelashes and separate them, because if you don't, then your eyelashes are all going to be stuck together and it's not going to look very good. And take your time on this part because this is how your eyelashes are going to be formed. Here's another little tip or trick. Next time I plan to trim the outer corner of the shield so that it fits my eye a little better. It did feel a little too big for my eye shape. Here is the perm lotion. It does smell like perming chemicals. My dad was a hairstylist and I remember the scent very clearly. Do not allow this solution to touch your skin. I don't know what it feels like because I didn't get it on my skin, but that is what the instructions advise not to do. So read the tips, read the instructions. They're there for a reason. This is the solution that will curl the lashes, so make sure that you coat each and every lash and make sure that you do not get this in your eye. I thought I would struggle with this, but I did not. It was pretty easy to apply. Now in this moment I wish that I hadn't lost the application tool because it would have made this process 10 times faster than using a toothpick. Don't forget to grab a paper towel or cloth to clean your tools. And I definitely scared my toddler when I walked out of my bathroom with this on my eye. After the 15 minutes have passed, take a Q-tip and in an upward motion, wipe the perm lotion up and clean it off your eyelid, wiping the Q-tip onto a rag or paper towels I'm using here. And now step number 2, the setting lotion. This is just like clockwork. Same thing with the permanent lotion. You're going to apply it the exact same way. Do not get in your eye. Do not get in your skin. apply it evenly throughout your eyelashes from the base to the tip. And the purpose of the setting lotion is just to prolong the curl of your lashes. Alright, after the 10 minutes have passed, once again removing the setting lotion just as I did with the perm lotion. Take it, make sure it's all cleaned off. I'm telling y'all, this is so much easier than it looks. I'm not gonna lie, I was intimidated to try this kit, but now I feel like a professional and I want to do it on all my friends. All right, now we have the moisture lotion. This just softens and moisturizes the lashes. You're going to, okay, I used this Q-tip, but I feel like it soaked up all the product. I really wish I had the tool that it came with, that clear tool. So try to find something that's more flat, where you can apply the lotion onto, the moisture lotion onto your lashes. Let this sit for 5 minutes. And then it will loosen up your eyelashes. And be careful. You do not want to damage your lashes. Take your time in this process. But it's still, it was pain-free. So, easy to do. Make sure they're moisturized. I kind of just brush the toothpick in a downward motion, and it released the lashes from the strip. Ooh, look at that curl. Look at the curl. Oh, I love it. I'm addicted to this. And then slowly remove the strip. And voila. Now I'm going to take the cleansing water. I dipped the Q-tip right into the cleansing water and cleared off all the glue off my eyelid, as well as my eyelashes. And then I went and got a eyelash brush to remove the glue off my eyelashes. And here are the results. What do y'all think? I think it turned out pretty good. Pretty great, actually. I love it. Alrighty, y'all, I hope this video has been helpful. It was my first time, so bear with me. I think they turned out pretty great, considering the fact. It made putting on mascara 10 times easier and quicker, considering I didn't have to curl my lashes. Not that I ever do, because I'm terrified of them. My mom severely injured her eyes twice with eyelash curlers, and my friend completely chopped off her eyelashes. So that is why I just completely stay away from curling my lashes. And lash extensions, we know that they're just not good for your eyelashes, as much as I absolutely love them. So this is perfect for me because I wake up, my lashes are curled. They are blonde at the tip, so when I put on mascara, it really shows the length of them. But still, I wake up and I'm like, oh, nice, I like it. But anyway, so yeah, it's upside down. I am like, where have you been in my life? I'm a visual learner, so I looked up another YouTuber. Well, I looked up a few YouTube videos, and there was one that really, I watched the entire time when I was doing I watched her video step by step as I was doing my first eye, and she was just awesome. She was funny, hilarious. You gotta go check her out. I'm gonna put her name right here. Check out her video. She was so great with explaining step-by-step instructions, and she was funny and cute too. So it was entertaining at the same time, and just made me realize, okay, I can do this. Look at here are the instructions. I already showed y'all. I lost the piece, and I don't know where it disappeared to, and it worked really well, but hopefully I can find this little piece. But anyway, look how much product you get. She said she had her package about a year, so that just tells you right there. For $26, I looked up, that's a bargain. I looked up the pricing on lash lifts, and in my area, Houston, Texas, it was quoting $85 to $165. That's a lot of money for how easy and quick this was to be able to do it at home, which is extremely convenient. Don't have to worry about wearing a mask, all that kind of stuff. I don't know if I said this, but this is great for people with lashes that are straight or point down. I mean, this is a game changer, especially if you wear false lashes. That's perfect because sometimes when you wear false lashes, most of them are curled up and it just looks off and obvious. So this is perfect for it. I mean, like I said, I can't say enough good things about PINKZIO eyelash perming kit. Once again, PINKZIO, thank you so much for sending me this lash lift kit. It is a game changer in my beauty routine, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Obsessed is an understatement. It is DIY. I can do it from my house. It is extremely budget friendly, pain-free, and it works. I mean, what more can you ask for? And it gives you so much product. It's insane. So thank you once again. Thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't ordered it yet, I will put all the links down below so that you can go get yourself one. It is totally worth it. My friends are dying to come over for me to try it on them. So I cannot wait to use this product even more. Thank you guys and have a great one. Bye guys.